afternoon, teacher and friends. My name is Mayra La Rosa. I am studying English Intermediate 4 from the Language Institute of University José Faustino Sánchez Carrero. My teacher is Jefferson Pariona Bernal. Today I will talk you about by soil waste pollution. I will explain in causes, consequences, and solutions. What is soil waste? Are all those wastes produced by human activity that are not managed correctly, so that they are reincorporated in the environment. The rabbit is one of the growing problems of our society. The generation of rabbits is an inevitable consequence of human activity, but unfortunately, rabbits causes a negative environmental impact in general. This problem has been increasing since the last 3 decades, leading to health problems and environmental degradation. Today, we are victims of many types of waste, including domestic, agricultural, and industrial. Tons of waste of rabbits are produced each year and only 1% is recycled. Causes. Lack of environmental culture. The states do not invest in education about environmental problems. Consumers. The vast majority of what we consume has plastic, which is not recycled. Population growth. By having more inhabitants consume, the waste will be greater without adequate spots for rabbit treatment. The situation is much more complicated. Improper handling of waste. The public clinic staff does not have the proper implants, nor is the government given the necessary treatment. Lack of environmental policies. There are no laws that help to care of the planet, much less attempt to claim part of it. Consequence. High pollution. Soil waste is up and down deteriorates and the quality of the air we breathe. Health problems. The possible transmission of infectious disease. Water contamination. The water is pollution by the rabbits that grow in the river and pipes. The discharge of the rabbits in streams and canals of abandonment on public roads. Also brings about the reduction of channels and the obstruction of both the sea and the several new ones. And soil contamination. The presence of oil, fats, the heavy metals, and acids, among other pollution. After they and physical, chemical, and fertility properties of the soils. Habitat destruction. The pollution causes global warming, which causes the health of many animals to be destroyed as well as to end up dying up. Solutions. The prevention policy and recycling is referred to using certain wasting as a raw material to reduce the new goods. Composting. Composting is a subjecting organic matter to a transformation process through abundant natural compost. Use of degradable productions that provide and safest and will begin through our planet by not producing toxic waste when they decompose, which helps to avoid contributing to the greenhouse effects. Beach cleaning. For the benefit of having the clean beach for the tourists and to consume the experience that is offered us. Thanks for your attention. I hope the video make us aware and not generate so much solid waste. And remember, small action counts. Let's protect the environment together.